Good morning, everybody. I am up bright and early. This is solid and dry now, so I'm gonna go ahead and sand that smooth and level with the sides of the drawer. And you can feel the high sides, so keep sanding. And I'm just using a very low grit sanding block. You do along the side, the edge, and the other edge. You can feel where you need to sand. You just rub your hand over it and you can feel it where it's higher than higher than the drawer itself. You want it to blend in as much as you want. And of course, this is going to be painted over top, and it's going to be painted in a mural. So that side's really good. Let's look on that side. I think we're good. So now I'm going to come across with since it's a small area, I'm just going to use an unscented baby wipe and get the dust off, that sanding dust. It went over there. I don't want to do that. I want my paint to stick, so. All right, that's done. And now for the final thing, and it's okay if it's still a little damp. I'm just gonna finish coming over the top of that with the slick stick that I started on the other side of that drawer. So it's done. So this will be paintable then. I mean, you could paint it as it is right now, but I want to make sure there's no difference in color when I do come over the whole drawer. So I'm just gonna lightly put a coat of this on there. Blend that in with the rest of it. When I do slick stick, I don't do a heavy coat. I just do a very light coat, enough to put something on that surface of the drawer so that paint will stick when you come back to paint it. All right, we're gonna let that sit up and dry, and that's all there is to it when you use wood putty to fill in holes or gaps in your furniture to make it all cohesive so you don't have these bumps. You could sand over it and paint over it, but then you'll have this divot in there. So that's that. Thanks, guys.